Kahit po mahirap na magsunod-sunod ang laban namin, basta sinabi, sa barin tayo maglalaro. Hindi po kami tumatanggi para makasama lang po kayo.
We're excited to be here. Team First Street, this is my last conference. And to be able to share it with people of Lorraine, all of our kababayan here. It's a true honor, so thank you.
Uulitin namin sa kalimat.